Guess the car dot by the rear lights. You have 5 seconds for each round. 20 rounds in total. Easy, medium, hard levels. For each correct answer, you'll get 20 points. Count your score at dot the end. You'll see what car you deserve. Good luck. Easy level. Ford Mustang GT. 2. Bugatti Chiron. 3. Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. 4. Lexus LC 500. 5. Lamborghini Huracan Evo. 6. BMW i8. 7. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. 8. Ferrari Enzo. 8. Audi R8 V10. 10. Porsche 911 Turbo S. 11. Aston Martin DB11. 12. Toyota Camry XSE. 13. Honda Civic. 14. Mercedes C-Class. 15. Tesla Model 3. 16. McLaren 720s. 17. Bentley Continental GT. 18. Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. 19. Range Rover Sport. 20. Cadillac CT5. Here's your car. Subscribe for more.